Hello guys, so today I'm gonna talk about Elon Musk and his tweets and the timing of his tweets and how they match TA or whatsoever. Has he deliberately manipulated the market, or does he just think it's fun to tweet? Does he enjoy this whatsoever? Let's discuss about all of this, okay? So I have not planned anything except drawing out the shapes and how can we be prepared of Elon Musk making acceleration to the market or actually causing further FOMO on the market. So let's see what's happening right now from the first tweet that he said. In retrospective, it was inevitable, and right before that was a Bitcoin hashtag in bias. So let's first discuss about that. As you can see, we have actually here a bearish wedge, and no, sorry, I meant a bullish wedge, and a bullish wedge usually breaks up, and as you can see here, we actually got a breakout right here, but as it was going down, and then Elon Musk tweeted that tweet, and we just blew up here, and then we bounced on this line as support, and after that the price continued to rise, and we got a bit of reaction here. We got, let's see if we draw a shape here, you can see we got another cup of handle, and here's the handle, and we got a breakout of that, and we got this bigger cup and handle, and right at this, at this breakout, he made a tweet right there. Let's zoom in. So here is his tweet right at the breakout of this handle. He wrote Tesla purchased 1.8 billion worth of Bitcoin in dollars, and that pushed the price up further again. As you can see, a second time, the timing is very well done. Here is Elon Musk or Tesla accepting Bitcoin. I'm gonna rewrite this quickly. Tweeted Tesla accept Bitcoin. So here you were supposed to be able to purchase. This one did not have as much power, but it was actually in a bullish scenario. We could actually have broken up here. So as you can see, it's actually planned. Very well done. And let's continue. Here's the next tweet. We broke down of this rising wedge, rising channel flag, which is a bearish scenario, and as it was testing here at the previous support, we got resistance, and right where we're supposed to get confirmation here, Elon Musk tweeted Tesla does not accept Bitcoin. And as you can see, if we draw also this green line here as support, we have a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Not so much as a good head and shoulder, but it's still a head and shoulder. So his tweet was actually very perfectly matched on that one. Let's see here, we got another head and shoulder bearish scenario, and here we can see his tweet here. Tesla is selling Bitcoin. So that was a bearish news. He suggested that, and where did he put that? Right where we broke down from this head and shoulders. Okay, let's continue writing. Elon Musk miners meeting for green energy. As you can see, this line here that acted as resistance was tweeted close to that resistance. It didn't affect the price that much, but it did actually break up right after that. Just like if you go back here, right, this here didn't break out here, but it broke out here. So his tweets that are bullish and bearish has been working perfectly with technical analysis. And right here, the last thing he did was tweeting right at this candle here, 3 after midnight, 2+ time from here, that is. So depending where you live, the clock is different, right? So he tweeted here, and we got pushed down. And as you can see, this is actually an M pattern, right? And his tweets actually has matched the market perfectly. Does this look manipulated? Of course it does look manipulated. It's pretty hard to not see that he has not planned the timing of his tweets. Of course he has planned the timing of his tweets. It's pretty obvious from this perspective by just looking at the chart. So, but has his tweets actually done anything to the market? Like, I'm just gonna open up RSI quickly and check the daily. The thing is, you can see we got a higher high, higher high, higher high, and higher high. So I'm gonna just draw out these quickly here. Yeah, let's do a highlighter here, 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 and here. But as you can see here, the RSI buy pressure is getting lower, 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 and lower. This is a divergence. So the price is actually falling. And if we look at the next thing, what is going to happen right now, short term, it's actually looking like if we have it on daily, it looks like the candles is forming an M pattern right now. As you can see, the bodies are actually a sign of strength. When you're looking at the technical analysis, the bodies tells a lot. The wicks as well, so we cannot exclude the wicks. But let's look at the 4 hour. How does the 4 hour looking? So what I can see here is that the highs here are getting lower, and but what is happening with the RSI? As you can see, the buy pressure here is low, the buy pressure is increasing, and it's increasing, but the price is actually getting lower. So what this is telling us is that there's a lot of sell pressure fighting back. Even if the buy pressure goes up, it doesn't really affect the price to go up further. Which is actually a sign that we are probably going down. This is just as you can see, the lines does not match. Usually when you're looking at shapes like this, it's usually going with the direction of the market trend. If I look at bigger picture here. It's just getting wrong here, starting to look messy, but let's see here. As you can see here, here it starts to go up, but as there is a new high here, but this high here is higher, it follows the market, right? And the lows are following here, except here. This is actually suggesting a hidden divergence, but there's like it's a triple divergence right here, so it's pretty insignificant. You're looking at the bigger picture. So let's go back in here in 4 hours and see what does the chart look like. Well, actually this here actually starts to look like a head and shoulders. So I'm gonna draw this here quickly. Let's see here. There. As you can see, we have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So we got that shape telling us we are actually in a head and shoulder pattern. Could be, if we are breaking down, that is. And if we are looking here, we have this wedge right here. And as you can see on his tweet, on this wedge that is on the hourly that is looking like an M here. His tweet is actually matching a bearish scenario, since this is a rising, just a wedge, I mean flag, this is a rising flag, and those are bearish. And it actually looks like we have more bearish scenarios than bullish scenarios currently. So I think we are going down short term to bounce up again. So this could be the last push down before we're going up again. So that is today's analysis of Bitcoin and how Elon Musk has affected the price on the market. But in my point of view, he's let's see here. I think his tweets has lost impact. It's not as powerful as it was before, which I think is a good thing. It actually shows that Bitcoin can do well without Elon Musk tweets, and that we are only getting more strength over time. I think it's a very good sign for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is getting stronger in the fundamentals, getting more support. So that's really good thing. That's everything that has happened on the market, and that Bitcoin has getting so much traction, like Visa and a lot of other things, projects, like many big players are getting into Bitcoin. I think that's fantastic. Bitcoin is obviously here to stay. The China FUD did not cause so much crash on the market, really. We were really in a downtrend anyway. So that's that. And I actually think that technical analysis can help us, as you saw here, me talking previously. This is the last thing before shorting out this video. And that is these divergences has actually warned us that the market is going to flip over at some point, and it actually did. And the Tesla tweets didn't help. He obviously didn't change what was supposed to happen, but he actually affected the market more greatly. So do I believe anyway. So what's your say? So do you think Elon Musk purposely tweeted put his tweets with the timing that I displayed here, or is it just some random coincidence that the timing just happened to match perfectly with technical analysis breakout points? Is that just a coincidence? Well, let me know your thoughts, leave a comment, and let's hear your views.